Hello everyone, welcome to Sugar Shell Brands. So let's understand when is the right time to buy a new bra. When your bra has this following issues. For example, stretched out straps, cups don't fit, bands are too loose, weak elastic, underwire starts poking you, or damaged fabric. Point to be noted that if we ignore the right way of washing the bra, then these damages will be expected earlier. Hence, it is better to follow the right way to wash your bra to keep it intact for at least 2 years. Ideally, your bra should be changed in every 2 years to experience the following, like right size, right comfort, and maintain a good hygiene. To purchase our products, you can visit to our website, that is www.sugarshell.in. You can contact us on 9711763222. We are also available in Amazon. For more information, you can follow us in Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Thank you.